We are now starting question number 10 for this exercise of kinematic for the mechanics. Question statement is the diagram shows a velocity time graph which models this motion for a car. The graph consists of four straight line segments. The car accelerates at a constant rate of 2 meters per second squared from rest to a speed of 20 meters per second over a period of t seconds. It then decelerates at a constant rate for 5 seconds before traveling at a constant speed of v meters per second for 27.5 seconds. The car then decelerates to rest at a constant rate over a period of 5 seconds. Part A, find the value of t. And for B, given that the total distance traveled up to the point at which the car begins to move with a constant speed is one third of the total distance traveled by that. Find the value of v. Since this is the motion of the car which they have mentioned for the four straight line segments, where the acceleration in the first part from O to A is 2 meters per second square. So we can find out the coordinates of A there equal to t and 20. So for the first part, for the acceleration, we know that it is a gradient between these two. So it should be equal to 20 minus 0 over t minus 0 is equal to 2. So t is equal to 20 or t is equal to 10. So the first time is given there which is equal to 10 seconds for this portion there. Now, in the second part, the total distance traveled is one third of the distance when it is moving with a constant acceleration. So we can divide this graph into four parts: A1, A2, A3, and A4. This is the right angle triangle, so it's will be equal to 1 over 2 into 10 into 20. This is your A1 graph plus A2, that is this graph, which is basically a trapezium shape. So it should be equal to half into V plus 20 into the time there is 5 plus this A3, which is a rectangle shape, so which is equal to 27.5 into V plus the last part, which is a right angle triangle, so it should be equal to half into 5 into V. So this is the total distance traveled for the car, and they said that find the acceleration V when it moves with a constant acceleration. So up till here, there are two parts, A1 and A2. So it should be equal to half into 10 into 20, that is the first part, plus this, that is half into V plus 20 into 5, that should be equivalent to one third of this total distance traveled, that is half into 10 into 20 plus half into V plus 20 into 5 plus 27.5 into V plus half into 5V, and that is this value there. So after doing this calculation, we can write it as 100 plus 2.5 into V plus 20 is equal to one third of this part, that is equal to 200 plus half into 5 into V plus 20 plus 27.5 into V plus 2.5 V. So we can calculate the value of V there equal to 12. So this is the answer for this question number 10 for all parts. First, we have to calculate T and then we have to calculate the value of V. And we can use the trapezium and rectangle and the triangle rules to calculate the total distance traveled by that.